it.
I
So
was
you wanna
thinking
go
of
through
going
it?
to, yeah, I was thinking of, I'm actually gonna sit here and go to the one at 8 o'clock
Oh, good.
that he's doing. He emailed everybody
Yeah.
because I spent about 30 minutes yesterday trying everything that I can possibly think of. And I couldn't even get past number one because I was like, okay, do I do a search? Do I do a right? Look only for the last four numbers? And I did 500 million things because we're not supposed to change any of
Right.
the
You're not.
columns.
Right.
And on number two, you can't select more than the two boxes together. So I had a horrible time. So yes, I would love to
Do you want me
go over
to share my screen?
Oh, please.
Hi, Sebastian.
Hello, Michelle.
Hi.
Hi, Karina.
Are you done with the assignment?
With the mini project? Yes.
Yeah.
I just finished like 5 minutes ago.
All right.
The second one?
Yeah, the mini project 11.
Did you attend the class that she attended as well?
I don't think so.
No.
Man, you guys are geniuses. I couldn't figure it out.
I don't think we were. Yeah. So here's mine. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it.
So in this first cell right here on monthly revenue is the if, and you want it to find the year in B5.
It's very small, that formula.
Can you not see that here? I'll make it bigger.
Yeah, make it bigger because.
Is that better?
Oh, it doesn't. No, it doesn't make the field box bigger.
Here, maybe I can copy and paste it somewhere. Oh, that probably won't work either. So if you do if, and then do the parenthesis year, and then put the cell B5 in it.
Here, zoom out again really quick, just a little bit.
Okay. Well, why won't it let me zoom out? Oh, here we go.
Okay, so you're doing. Oh, okay. So that's how you extract the year out of it.
Yeah,
So
that's how you extract the year.
Equals annual pricing C4. That's the first one. So you're going to have, so basically that's why it's compounding, because it doesn't let you choose the whole array, and you're going to have to do. Okay, go back.
So I'll go back. So then you do equals annual pricing. And then you click on the, because then you want it to put in the C5, which is the annual
If it's
pricing.
true, then you put that pricing.
And then what I did the first time was I put a comma, and then I did another if, year, historical sales, again, the B5, back to the other page to click on this one, 2014.
Okay, so you just keep going.
And you just keep going. And then once I figured out that I had all that right, then I went in and I times each group by C5.
Oh, at the very end.
By here, but I could have put it, see, I put it after each if statement, and I could have just put it at the very end, at the end of the parentheses on the outside, and it would have worked. I didn't think of that.
Gotcha. Okay. Let me open my mini project over here really quick. Hold on. So create the summary dashboard, and you show can you show me that, the total?
So here's my summary dashboard.
And is that a drop-down menu?
Right here, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you link your total revenue and all of that stuff to the other sheet?
Yeah. So that was a little more difficult. So
orange one?
That's all linked here.
The chart is just the same.
But it really starts right here, because I took the if year B5, if it matches the dashboard, it matches this date,
Uh-huh.
then I want it to tell me the number and I want it to give me whatever the revenue is. So that's how you see my revenue right here. So if I go back here and I change the year on my dashboard to, let's just say,
Oh, it shows
2018.
different calculations.
So if I go to 2018, then you're going to show there's not going to be anything to the very bottom.
Oh, I see.
And then I linked those into these and did total annual, average monthly. So then this then equals the sum of all of these cells,
Mhm.
the whole
Gotcha.
H column. And then this is the average and this is the max and that's the min.
What's your count data in a year for?
Okay, so don't look at the year, but my count data is, so on the next one where you have to do this one here. So if, let's just say a home sells for $50,000, because you're supposed to be able to put in any number and know how many homes sold below $50,000. So that's what you're going to find in this column. So this is my count column. And so what I did was over in this cell here, it's if D5 is less than the dashboard, which is this whole dashboard. Is that right? No, if D5 is less than this number, then I want it to count. Then I want it to return a count of 1. And if not, I want it to give me a 0. And then on the bottom, and then in this cell, I told it to count the zeros, count the number of 1s for me.
Wait, so you do a count.
Yes.
You did a count if.
Mm-hmm.
And your range is that whole column.
My range is this whole column.
Mm-hmm.
For counting it.
And then go back one more time.
To this one. Whoops.
No, to the dashboard.
So right here.
Oh, okay. And then if it's what is the 1 at the end?
The 1 is I want it to count all the 1s.
Oh.
So the criteria it's counting is the 1s. This is the range, and I want it to count the 1s.
And there's only 1.
In this case, there was only 1. So if I change that, though, to, let's just go back to, let's just say 150,000. There's 21 cells that are less than 21,000, and these are them.
Okay. And that's what you had difficulty with that he clarified on the first class that he had done.
I had difficulty with this one and the second step because I couldn't figure out what I was supposed to do here.
Gotcha.
And how to get it all, yeah. So I actually had this done, which was very surprising. I thought that was hard.
And long as well.
And then what's the graph? What's the graph that we have to do?
That's just the monthly revenue of all the months.
Mm-hmm.
And you get that data from where? Just
from your
historical. Yeah.
That one right there.
Mm-hmm.
And
because
you're just doing.
You just want this column and this column. You want column B and column D.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all that you're doing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So does Sebastian, does mine look like yours?
Yeah, I'm. You know, you use the same chart as mine, so it looks like pretty much the same. Just mine is black. That's it. But I just did something different in the dashboard.
Okay.
I just for example, the monthly dashboard. I got the revenue as well, but I just let me open mine. if you want, I can share mine as
Oh,
well.
sure.
Oh, 1 minute, please. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same as mine. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Oh, so Karina, I asked if I could record the meeting the other night.
Uh-huh.
And
On Tuesday?
on his, no, yes, and he says if he records it, he can't talk as much as he normally does. So I might not get as much info if I try to record. So I didn't record.
Oh, okay. No, that's fine.
So
I'm gonna
'cause
go to
he's
the one
afraid
tonight.
people will share it and then they won't get the information they need, or I don't know. But yeah.
That's okay.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Have you started a test, Michelle?
No, I just got the exam open. How about you
The
guys?
exam?
I'm gonna start taking the test to get it open
Yeah.
tomorrow, and hopefully start tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god.
Is it not working?
Okay. No puedo.
Did that help, Karina, or do you still have questions on it all?
I think that helped me a lot. I knew it was going to be stacked because
Okay.
obviously the video that we just watched was all about continuing the ifs. I
Mhm.
got completely stuck on how to only get the year out of that equation. And I was doing write for, search. I was doing everything except the year. And I think that now I think I got the concept because when I was doing the spreadsheet, all the stuff that I did while he was doing the video was still working. So I think I'll get it. And the
Yeah.
rest of it was kind of like stack off of those numbers. So I felt like I couldn't do anything else if I really couldn't do number one.
That's true. You couldn't because it all relied on
So
those numbers.
I just felt like I just lost a night.
Yeah, that's
I'm just a little
frustrating.
behind. Oh,
Oh,
there
it
it
looks
is.
like Sebastian's getting some stuff up.
Okay. Are you guys seeing my screen yet?
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
it.
Okay. So as you see, this is my chart. It's pretty much the same as I
Yeah.
told you.
Well, that looks good.
Yeah, this is mine. So if I select, of course, the year, it will pops up all the information. But here in the monthly view, if I say, as you say before, let's suppose that I'm making 50,000. So I just want to see how many months are above that amount.
Oh, you did above as well, right?
Yeah. I
Okay.
just did like a little bit like different from yours, but
Yeah.
just like to like make a balance between
Right.
how many months are pretty good and how many months they were like pretty good. So,
So
just yeah, tell me.
Well, so I'm looking on your spreadsheet here. Can you go back to it? I just want to know, well, how come your thing doesn't line up quite like ours? So you see
Okay.
how you have March, Friday, May, Wednesday, July, Monday? What happened here?
Well, this is just for default about
Instead of
the
the,
chart.
yeah, because there's no year on them?
Yeah. Because I'm using my Mac, so it just
Oh,
change that little thing, but it's not worried at all.
oh, okay. I just didn't know if you needed to fix something, so I didn't want you to get marked down.
Yeah, no worries. And of course, here in my count column, because I just select that amount, so it says that 59 of the 60 months
Mhm.
are above than that amount. So here are just all the information
Oh,
except that one because was under 50,000.
oh, gotcha.
But of course, if I just change and say 150, 100,000, of course, it will change as well here. So
Wow.
Did you
that's
do
it.
did you do your count the same way that she did, Sebastian?
Yeah, look, are you able to see my
We
fieldback?
see it, but
Yeah,
we
it
don't see
doesn't show
your
your
formula.
formula.
It doesn't show at the top.
It doesn't show?
Mm-mm.
No. Like I can see the cells that are highlighted, but you know
Uh-huh.
where there's that little FX right there and usually shows the formula right there, it doesn't show anything, it's blank.
Yeah, it just change when I change that amount. So if I say 40, oh sorry. Of course it will be just everyone with the number 1. So it's pretty much like if mine is in Spanish, of course, but it's just the same. It's if, and then I select D5, which is that one, greater, equals, and I go there, dashboard,
Right.
here.
And then you anchored that number.
And then, yeah, and then I anchor,
Yeah.
and then I say count, and then I just select the number 1 between parentheses, and then just the quotation mark, and that's it.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'll be able to do it. That number 1 was really where it was hurting me, but I'm going to take your advice now and start mine. And
Okay,
then
good.
yeah, and then I'm gonna watch his thing at 8. So
Yeah.
just as it like, it can't hurt me, so I'm just
No,
gonna
no. No, that's a good plan.
Yeah.
Because I did it. I had to go, so I completely understand it.
And you found the link right on the announcements. Does he put it in like super last minute? Because I went there just now and it wasn't in there. Where did you find the link?
So if you go to the main page, because he has it's a Zoom link,
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
so you can just go click on that, and it will take you to that office meeting.
So let me show you.
So I'll show you where I went.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or you can show me. Yeah, I'll show you.
No. Show me where you went. I
Okay,
want to make sure it's the same place that I'm going.
let me go home. Okay, B215. Okay, so let me go back to sharing my screen. So right here, he has access instructors hours.
Oh, it's in there.
And
Okay.
if you click on that, then it will launch you to the browser.
Cool.
And last time when I was early, there was no one in there. So
Okay.
yeah, that's all you
Yeah,
do.
I was looking for like another, not the office hours. I was looking for like another link. So I'm glad I asked.
Yeah.
Was there a lot of students or was it just you and him?
No, there was me and one other person for most of the time, and then someone else came on toward the end. So there was 3 of us.
Awesome.
Yeah. It sounds like John said he was going to try to get on there tonight too. So
Yeah,
Mhm.
I am for sure.
yeah. Well, if you have any more problems and you get stuck, feel free to reach out and
Thank you.
you're welcome. I know I've been there in a panic. So
I'm just not a very math, and I know this isn't math, but this is not my side of the brain. I'm writing. I could write 10 essays that sound amazing, but this type of stuff is not my forte.
well, you're doing well. So
So far, right? So far, I'm like hanging with an A, barely.
good deal. Anyone get their test back yet?
No, I keep checking every day. Have you?
No, I keep checking too. Curious. I don't think it's going to be afterwards. Yeah, I think there's probably some things I messed up on, but we'll see.
There's one thing for sure I knew that I didn't do right, but I want to say I still deserve an A minus. So
Me too. All right. So are we on for next Tuesday then?
yeah,
6:00?
Next week we just have one meeting, no?
Let me look at that
so
coursework.
because of the exam, right?
Yeah.
Let's double check really quick.
Yes.
I had it open at one time.
That's lesson 8.
So we have mini project 12. So yeah.
And that's
Yeah.
it. So yeah.
So we'll just meet on Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good for me. I'm also traveling next week, and coincidentally, I'm traveling Thursday. So yeah, let's meet Tuesday because I wouldn't be able to Thursday anyways.
All right.
Okay. That sounds good.
Yeah,
All right,
Times.
so
I'll send the link to everybody.
you'll send a link. Thank you. And good luck.
Thank you,
Thank
Karina.
you.
Bye-bye, Michelle.
Bye, Sebastian.
Bye.
Bye, Michelle.
Bye.